I ran a YouTube channel for 3 years, hoping and praying that it will grow through magic of prayers, but unfortunately never grew. Instead, I was stuck to 4, 5, 8, or at most 10 views per video until I debugged this settings puzzle. If you've been grinding away, uploading videos, and wondering why your channel isn't growing as fast as you'd like, chances are you have the wrong settings dragging you down. But don't worry. In this video, I'm breaking down 20 YouTube settings that could be killing your channel's growth and showing you how to fix them. Stay tuned because fixing even one of these could make a massive difference. And if you're serious about growing on YouTube, make sure to watch until the end, because I'll be sharing a bonus tip that could skyrocket your channel's visibility. Before we start, I will really appreciate if you take your 10 seconds to support this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Like and share this video to your friends whom you feel it might help them. First, let's look at the settings that hinders your channel growth. If you work on these settings, you are probably going to see great changes in your channel growth journey. 1. Not enabling custom thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first impression. If you haven't turned on custom thumbnails in YouTube Studio, you're stuck with random screenshots, and that's not good for clicks. Remember, people are more attracted to what they see than what you tell them. So enabling this setting will greatly boost your video clicks. To fix this, go to YouTube Studio, then click on Settings, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility, and enable custom thumbnails. A great thumbnail should be bright, eye-catching, and have a clear focal point. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and keep it simple but intriguing. 2. Missing keywords in your channel. Settings YouTube needs to know what your channel is about. Look for the keywords which best fit the type of content you do on YouTube and paste them in the keyword field as follows. Go to Settings, then Channel, then Basic Info, and add keywords that describe your niche. For example, if you create tech content, use words like tech reviews, gadgets, unboxings. Make sure to research high-ranking keywords using tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ. The right keywords can help YouTube suggest your videos to more viewers. 3. Not setting a channel country. This affects discoverability. Head to Settings, Channel, Basic Info, and set your country to ensure YouTube recommends your videos to the right audience. If you target a global audience, choose a country with a high CPM, cost per meal, as this can impact your monetization earnings too. 4. Disabling embeds. If you've turned off video embedding, you're blocking potential views from blogs and social media. Make sure this is enabled under Settings, Upload Defaults, Advanced Settings. 5. Not adding a watermark. A watermark acts as a subscribe button on every video. Most of creators upload text or pictures as watermark, of which I really discourage. Add a watermark that adds value to your channel, preferably subscribe icon. To set this up, come here under Customization, then Branding, and upload a small subscribe logo or a subscribe icon. 6. Choosing wrong video category. Make sure your videos are in the right category. For instance, a tech review content in the comedy section won't get the right viewers. To fix this, we go to Upload Defaults, then Advanced Settings. 7. Ignoring tags. Even though YouTube doesn't rely on tags as much anymore, they still help with discoverability. Use at least 5 to 10 relevant tags per video. Use long-tail keywords like how to grow on YouTube fast in 2024 instead of just YouTube growth. This will help you rank in searches. 8. Forgetting video description. Optimization. A weak description means fewer rankings. Your first 2-3 lines should include keywords related to your video and a CTA, call to action, like subscribe for more tech reviews. Add timestamps to make it easier for viewers to find key parts of your video and boost engagement. 9. No end screens or cards. If you're not using end screens and cards, you're losing potential watch time and subscribers. Always link related videos at the end. Use playlists to keep viewers watching multiple videos in a row. More watch time equals better ranking on YouTube. 10. Not using captions. Captions make your video more searchable and accessible. Enable auto captions and edit them for accuracy. 11. Not replying to comments. Engagement boosts rankings. Replying to comments tells YouTube that your video is valuable and encourages more interaction. 12. Holding all comments for review. Unless you get a lot of spam, holding all comments for review slows engagement. Instead, allow comments with moderation. 13. Disabling likes and dislikes. Likes and dislikes help YouTube understand engagement. Hiding them can make your channel seem less transparent. 14. No community tab usage. Once unlocked, the community tab is a great way to engage your audience with polls, images, and questions. Don't ignore it. 15. No pinned comments. Always pin a CTA or important message in the comments. This increases engagement and directs viewers to watch another video. 16. Not enabling monetization properly. If you're eligible for monetization but haven't set up AdSense correctly, you could be missing out on revenue. Double-check your settings in YouTube Studio. Monetization. 17. Too many mid-roll ads. Overloading your videos with ads can annoy viewers. For videos under 10 minutes, stick to one ad before and after. 18. Forgetting affiliate links and descriptions. If you're promoting products, make sure you're adding affiliate links in the description with proper disclosures. 20. No consistent upload schedule. YouTube favors consistency. If you upload randomly, your audience won't know when to expect new content. Stick to a schedule like every Tuesday and Friday. Bonus tip. Secret growth hack. If you've stuck around this long, here's a secret setting most small YouTubers ignore. Customizing your video's subtitles in different languages can increase your audience reach globally. Go to Subtitles in YouTube Studio and add translations to reach new viewers from around the world. In addition, upload your videos in HD low-quality videos, get pushed down in search rankings. Always upload in 1080p or higher. And that's it. 20+ settings that might be secretly holding back your YouTube growth. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Comment below and let's fix them together. Also, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a growth tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.